Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on language and input and tap on language and region. Here we have to tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find your language, which you'd like to apply, and then tap on it. I'll pick Turkish, tap on change to confirm. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, so this is the list of the languages which you've got, let's say, currently applied, you can quickly reorder them to change the default language. So let me tap on English and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. And as you can see right now, we've got English set. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this delete icon, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on remove. Confirm it with OK, and you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.